In this video, I will talk about how to use Excel to perform one-sample t-test. A one-sample t-test is used to determine whether the mean of a single sample differs significantly from a hypothesized population mean. It is applied when the population standard deviation is unknown with large enough sample size. Here, we have a sample data in column A. With 0.05 level of significance, a two-tailed test is conducted to test whether the population mean is different from 6. Null and alternative hypotheses are as follows. Now, let's fill in the blanks. For sample size, we use the count formula. For sample mean, we use the average formula. For sample standard deviation, we use the st.DEV.S formula. For hypothesized mean, we put down 6. For degree of freedom, it will be sample size minus 1. For t-statistic, we plug in the numbers into this formula. For two-tailed test, p-value can be found using T.DIST.2T formula. The first parameter is the t-statistic, and the second is the degree of freedom. Since the p-value is greater than 0.05, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. Now, we have another sample data. This time, with 0.05 level of significance, a right-tailed test is conducted to test whether the population mean is greater than 6. All the information can be computed similarly, except the p-value. For a right-tailed test, p-value can be found using the T.DIST.RT formula. The first parameter is the t-statistic, and the second is the degree of freedom. Since the p-value is greater than 0.05, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. Lastly, we have the left-tailed test. The p-value can be found using the T.DIST formula. The first parameter is the t-statistic, the second is the degree of freedom, and the third will be true. Since the p-value is less than 0.05, we can reject the null hypothesis in this case. That's how you perform one-sample t-test in Excel. I hope it helps. See you next time.